Hi friends, welcome to another cleaning video. In this video, we are going to be doing a 10-minute tidy up. The 10-minute tidy up is really for you guys. This really took me about 20 minutes, but because it isn't fast forward, it is going to be about 10 or 11 minutes for you. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and I hope it brings you some kind of motivation and you enjoy the music. And yeah, I will be popping in every now and then to explain certain things, but I'm not doing a huge full-on cleaning video. I am just doing a quick 10-minute tidy up. All right guys, I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.
I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Oh, that smile makes me tripping out. I wanna dance with you tonight. Yeah, you close to me, feeling good, I believe I gotta have you in my life. You got that good, good vibe. I want to spend some time back with you. Oh, I got this good on times. You want to spend some time back with me. Oh, and time to time I'm wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. She's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Can live without. Time after time after time, I'm wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of.
All right, and if you guys are wondering where all these things are going that I'm taking out of the bathroom, there's certain things that need to be put in a different location, and also I'm making a garbage pile. I wish I would have shown that to you guys in this video, but I really wanted to just make this a 10-minute video for you guys, so that is what I'm doing.
You hear them calling, shouting your name. Turn up the collar and walk away. Feels like you're falling, now who is to blame? Wishing you'd only be more like them. Over and over, you cry yourself to sleep. And you're colder, much colder. If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. And we'll shout it out, louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way
And don't get all upset that I'm using a lot of paper towels in this video. I am actually just trying to use up this last roll I have. And I figure I might as well use it in the dirtiest place in my house so I can throw away the paper towels. And yes, some of you might have noticed I have not put toner in my hair yet to bring down the redness in my hair. I am going to be doing that the next day, but I do hope you still enjoy this video, whether my hair looks a mess or not. Watching my video as I'm editing, I've noticed that I do need to clean the outside of the door. I had to try wiping it off earlier because of Riley drawing on it with a marker, but I don't think I cleaned it off really good. You can still see some sponges on there, so I will be going back on that later. And I noticed there's some like dirty marks right there on the door frame, so I'm cleaning that up real quick because it was bugging me. Alright guys, so the spot that I'm pointing at right there just needs a magic eraser to get rid of that. And then the Target bag is full of hair coloring stuff to hopefully fix the redness in my hair right now. And I'll be doing that tomorrow, so I'm really excited for that. And yeah, I hope this video was very motivating and hopefully you enjoyed the music, and I hope this 10-minute tidy up was fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't yet, definitely like, share, and subscribe. I need more friends. Have a great day. Bye now.